Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about two functions, max and min. These functions are essential in Excel and can be used in various scenarios to analyze and summarize data. Let's start with max function. Max function returns the largest value in a range of size. Its syntax will be look like this. And coming to min, it returns the smallest value in a range of size. Actually, max and it's opposite of max function, and these functions ignore cells with text. It will only accept or consider cells with number. Let's see one example. Let's see one example for max and min function. Come to this example. Here I have a few product details across and product sales details across quarters. From this, I have to find maximum sale for each product across four quarters here and in this column, and in minimum sales column I want uh, to calculate the minimum sale for each product. For that, let me start with the maximum sales. For that, our function is max. Its syntax be like this: equal max and select range. Here product A sales range is these four quarters. Then close the bracket, enter. That's it. Now we got maximum sales across these quarters. We can now we able to see from these four quarters 220 is the maximum value, so we uh, got it by maximum function. Same like for other product also we can find by dragging this to row. That's it. So we found every uh, maximum sales for each product across the quarter. Coming to min sales, same like instead of max we use a min and select the range E2 and cross. Here minimum sale is 150 and we got the same. Just drag or double click here, it will automatically apply to every cells. Now we got minimum sales also. Hope everyone understand what min and max function is and how to use that in Excel spreadsheet. Hope everyone liked this video. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you.